Hey there, food fanatics. Jimmy here, ready to whip up some culinary chaos. Today we're diving headfirst into a world of sweetness and pink-tastic delight with my cherrylicious pink cake. Get your aprons ready because this is gonna be epic. Whether you're a seasoned baking pro or just starting out, this recipe is as foolproof as my jokes on a good day, which is every day. So grab your mixing bowls and let's get baking. First things first, let's round up the ingredients for our edible masterpiece. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple and delicious. For the cake, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, the backbone of our cake, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar for that sweet, sweet taste, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Shh, it's a secret ingredient. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, the magic rising agent, half a teaspoon of salt, just a pinch to enhance the flavors, 1 cup of buttermilk, tangy goodness, half a cup of vegetable oil. We want a moist cake, folks. 2 large eggs, the glue that holds it all together, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, pure flavor magic, and 1 cup of chopped cherries, the star of the show. Now, for the frosting, 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter softened, butter makes everything better, 3 cups of powdered sugar, aka confectioner's sugar for that melt-in-your-mouth texture, a 1/4 cup of milk to loosen things up, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, more flavor, and red food coloring. Let's get pink-tastic. All right, baking buddies, let's get down to business. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. We don't want any sticking. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Now, in another bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Gently fold in the chopped cherries. Now pour the batter into your prepared pan and spread it evenly. Pop that bad boy in the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, let's whip up that pink frosting. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Gradually add the milk and vanilla extract, mixing until smooth. Now, for the fun part, add a few drops of red food coloring at a time until you achieve your desired shade of pink. Remember, we're going for cherrylicious, not Pepto-Bismol pink. Once the cake has completely cooled, this is crucial, frost it generously with that glorious pink frosting. Now, get creative with your decorations. You can top it with fresh cherries, sprinkles, or even chocolate shavings. And there you have it, Jimmy's cherrylicious pink cake, guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth and impress your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more culinary adventures with yours truly. Until next time, happy baking!